guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Winter is almost over, you guys, and I'm so happy about it. The spring is gonna be here, then summer, and of course I'll be doing a lot of colorful and bright makeup looks. So I kind of wanted to say goodbye to winter by doing one last dark makeup tutorial. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna start with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer, just to prep my eyes for the eyeshadows and of course to define my eyebrows more. I'm just gonna blend everything with a fluffy brush first, and then I'm gonna grab a flat MAC brush and just define under my eyebrows a little more. Next, I'm gonna grab the Bareminerals translucent powder and just dust it on my eyes to set the concealer. For eyeshadow, I'll be using one of my favorite palettes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, and I'm gonna start with the color Burnt Orange, applying it to the outer corner first and then blending it towards the middle with a very fluffy brush. Next, I'm gonna grab the color Red Ochre, and this is a very pigmented eyeshadow, so I decided to apply a little bit with a flat brush first on the outer corner, and then grabbing the same fluffy brush from the beginning, I'm going to blend it onto that first transition color, and I'm gonna continue blending it, mainly concentrating it on the outer corner and towards the center. For the lid, I'm going to use the color Venetian Red, and I'm gonna apply it with a flat fluffy brush, fluffy with a flat fluffy brush, just all over the lid. And I'm gonna go back with the blending brush that I started and just make sure all of the eyeshadows are nicely blended and diffused into each other. For skin prep, I'm gonna use this 24K Gold Chocolate Dream Oil, and I've already talked to you guys about it. It's wonderful. I love it with and without makeup. I love how it moisturizes and how it lifts my skin. I'm also using a tiny drop of the Lancome Labse Pro Primer just on my T-zone, and for foundation I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation, and this is in the color Natural, and I'm gonna blend that in with my Tarte Sonic Blend brushy brush. For concealer, I'm gonna go back to my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer and apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my chin, and just blend that in with the Tarte Sonic Blend again. I think you guys noticed that I really love this brush. I love how it blends everything so nicely and seamlessly. And I'm gonna set everywhere where I apply concealer with the Bareminerals translucent powder. Going back to my eyes, I'm going to define and smoke out my lower lash line. I'm gonna start with the color Burnt Orange, then some Red Ochre. To illuminate and open up the eyes, I'm going to apply the color Baremier on the inner corner. Of course, I'm using my dirty ass Total Temptation Maybelline Mascara. I think I need a new tube. And I'm applying some Amazon lashes. Look at that. I wanted to show you guys how pretty those are. To contour my face, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama. You guys already know I love this bronzer. And for highlighting, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Grace highlighter. This highlighter color is so pretty. I think it will look so beautiful in so many different people. I love it. For blush, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Gradient Blush Kit. And let me tell you guys, this blush kit is beautiful, but please be easy on it. These colors are so pigmented, they are no joke. For lips, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lippy in Notion, and this is why I'm applying my little chocolate oil first so I can moisturize my lips and then apply this lipstick, because let me tell you, this kind of matte lipsticks can be so dry on the lips, but this is a beautiful shade. And of course my UrbanDecay All Nighter Spray finished the look. And this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys until my next video. Love you guys. Bye.